We chose Gateway Bronco 2018. My father, my brother, and I were at Barrett-Jackson. We had the opportunity to meet Seth and some of his team members, and my dad had always wanted a 72 Bronco. We talked about it for probably a decade. For us, Gateway Bronco stood out. I'd say if we'd probably bring it down to two core items. First was quality, obviously. You know, we got to get our hands on a couple of examples before we decided to make a purchase. You know, the build quality was the best we'd seen. So Gateway Bronco exceeded our expectations in a couple of different ways, really. Obviously, the finished result was well in excess of what we were hoping, and you know, I'd say second of all, just the constant communication. You know, I think just the overall customer experience, customer service has been well in excess of our expectations. It was very exciting to, you know, to get photos and videos every couple of weeks as the Bronco is being picked out. You know, the body and the shell, all the way up to the paint, the entire restoration. I would tell somebody who's considering working with Gateway to give them a call. I would encourage you to speak with Seth and the Gateway team. To the team at Gateway Bronco, the guys and girls that built our Bronco, thank you so much for all the effort you put into our build. Thank you for the quality and the safety. We have enjoyed this for the last 5 years, and it's been, I mean, just to get in it, crank it up and go, it's been an incredible experience. We've made some fantastic memories as a family, and we'll continue to for generations.